These are special tortillas. They take 2 hours to make, or to warm up.
Yeah, warm up. Ain't no bacon on those.
Yeah.
I got my heart ain't dedicated. No, I forgot the lyrics.
That's gonna be the intro.
I think I was singing it all wrong. All wrong.
Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
You are an old phone.
They're too nice to him.
I think it was.
What you got, little girl?
Okay.
Some birthday cake.
Daniel's looking in the camera like this.
Say again.
Hey, Bubba.
Let me see. Let me see what you got. Ah, dang, got him. Hell yeah. What's happening, Kinfolk? Welcome back to channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. I haven't done an intro just yet. You've probably already seen everything that's happening, but today we are celebrating Bubba's 24th birthday, eh?
27.
Woo!
27?
No,
You know, like
Stop making it older than we already feel.
24th birthday, man. So today we've had a great time. Everybody's just about left already. It started raining fast on, huh?
Yeah, for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's been raining pretty good. So me and my brother cooked some biscotta.
Over here. Woohoo!
And
hey, bring it out.
and then he's also got cake, right? So we had birthday cake already. So now we're to the point of
Opening gifts.
so let's see what he got. I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned because we're gonna also have an update here in a little, well, it'll be the next day, but we're gonna have an update as well on Bubba and how he's doing with his beautiful wife Gracie over there here at their new house. So we'll see y'all in a little bit, but check this out.
Who are these from?
From your
Mimo.
Mimo went cheap.
Mimo went custom.
Mimo went husband.
Custom. You guys want yours?
Oh, custom.
Yeah. What did it say?
Let me see. No.
Look.
Only because explain that before people give me shit on the video or give me Mimo.
So, I'm planning on doing a custom license plate that says half foot for one of my trucks. That's the only reason. Yeah. That way y'all don't think I get bullied in the family.
Right.
It's on time. That's from who?
That's for them.
Oh, nah.
Very nice.
5'11", bro.
Yeah, I got two. That's nice. That's nice.
The cup, right?
Yeah. From Gina. ice. Which one's this one? Transmission temperature.
What is it, brother?
Gauge.
Oh, gauges for the truck?
Yeah.
What is that?
Sean. Ooh. Did y'all open these already?
Did y'all check these to make sure they were okay?
What's this? Oil temperature.
Who's that?
This one is from Houston, Indiana. Ooh. This one is water temperature.
So you got all gauges?
Mm-hmm.
And then
No.
this one, Lesbian Gabrielle. Ooh.
Yeah, they look all the same.
I know, like,
So I got these four. This one's oil pressure, water temperature, transmission temperature, and oil temperature.
So they're all different?
Yeah, they're all different.
Okay.
Same gauge, but they do different things.
oh, turn around.
So what the hell? Where you gonna put those in?
Oh.
Where you gonna put those in?
I was gonna leave them hanging on the wire. Do this one from.
That's from your daddy and your mama. I mean, daddy and
It's mom. It's mom.
Mom. Oh!
I'm talking about. This is the one you wanted, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So all the gauges
Too bad we can't install them tomorrow.
Huh?
Too bad we can't install
I
them tomorrow.
know, dude. That's
Thank
what I told my ass that now instructions paint, you can't even fucking install nothing.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. We couldn't do it by ourselves, so we got the family to pitch in. They all helped out, man. Hell yeah.
Two pieces of advice, of birthday advice. Forget about the past, you can't change it. Forget about the present. I didn't get you one. I think that says Jeff. It's cursive.
That's awesome, man.
So you ever seen that video when it's like when your grandma just gives you money for your birthday and you're like, just let the money fall out like you don't care about it? This one, here, read this one.
Oh, God.
Oh my
It's in
goodness.
Spanish. What that mean? Happy birthday?
All your days are filled with happiness.
Thank you.
Hey, who's that from?
Ray, Nelly, Little Ray, and Allie.
Awesome.
They got money.
You got money in there?
Yeah.
That's why he.
How much money you got in there? Oh, shit.
This one.
Go buy his breakfast. Breakfast.
Anything over
Gracie
21
already
pretty
said she
much
cooking,
sucks.
girl.
Happy birthday, 24 is still cool. From Naxel and Josh.
Nice.
Home Depot.
Ooh.
Yeah.
All right.
Happy birthday.
Hey, yours is in my wallet.
Woo! Hey, we'll be back in a little bit with a little update from Bubba's and how he's doing with the house, marriage, and just everything that's going on. Ah!
What's up, guys? So, we were supposed to do an interview.
Huh?
So, we're supposed to do an interview, but stuff happened with the truck, and now we're not doing it. And he's talking about my truck now, and he's using it. So, we're not going to do an interview anymore, but long story short, I'm married, got a house, everything's going good in life, and we got to finish loading up before he gets mad.
Alright, Kim folk. It's the next day. We're out here. How's everything been going? But the whole reason we're having issues because my truck on the way here.
Had to take that out.
No, don't jinx that shit. But my radiator blew up. Had to figure out a way to unhook the camper, leave the truck here. So my son let me borrow his truck to run the camera back to the house, and it's just been
a hell of a weekend.
Yeah, a pain in the ass this morning too. So
Got stuck.
got stuck over there.
I should have recorded all that, but you probably would have thrown the camera out of my hand.
No, you should have recorded it, but
I'll see if I can get something off the camera.
yeah, right, send it to me. So yeah, but I mean, we had a great night last night, right? Birthday party, great turnout, man. So, but I mean, we'll do a quick little update today, and then we'll actually do a sit-down update with them. Maybe once they come back from vacation. They're actually going on vacation here in a couple weeks. But as far as everything now, Bubba, how's everything going?
Good, good. Just been working, been doing home stuff.
Yeah. How long you been in the house? Y'all bought the first house. Y'all bought the
Yeah,
house.
it's our first house we bought. It's been December, what, 6 months?
6 months already.
Yeah, 6.5 months, something like that.
Nice. You've done quite a bit. Almost 2 acres.
Yeah, it's 1.89 or something.
Yeah.
The back corner back there isn't mine, but other than that, it's been good. We got traffic every now and then.
But yeah, man, he's doing really well. They're loving it out here. They got chickens. They got 12 chickens. I mean, they're running their dogs. There's one of them right there, little Joe.
What she's not supposed to be doing.
And then they ended up catching little baby cats. They had a mama cat run around here.
There's one right there sleeping.
Yeah, and then they ended up getting, she had babies, so they got some cats. But yeah, man, it's been good. And then how's everything with your foot and the prosthetic and with work and all that good stuff?
Good. The prosthetic's been great. I think I get blisters every now and then, like on my scar.
Yeah.
But other than that, I think it's just from the lace. If I wear thick socks, then I don't really get blisters. If I stand too long, sometimes like my ankle and stuff will hurt.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's been good. I work 12 hours a day most of the time, so it's been great.
He's been at it, man. He's been at it, so that's awesome. Again, we're super blessed to have Bubba here, man. And for those of y'all that don't know, if you haven't been following the channel that long, but how long ago was it? A year?
Last April.
Last April.
So last April, a whole year ago, a little over a year ago, he was in a motorcycle accident. He was riding, he had a BMW S1000RR, and then a car pulled out in front of him. He was coming home from work, and he couldn't stop in time and couldn't avoid it, of course, and so got into an accident, and then ended up having to amputate his foot. So,
Wasn't even having fun.
yeah, wasn't doing anything crazy. Wasn't doing, you know the stigma of most crotch rocket riders. You know what I mean? People talk shit about him, but Bubba really wasn't like that. He didn't ride crazy like that. But it's just one of them things, man. We all ride motorcycles, and we all know the risk of riding motorcycles when we get on them things. But it's a love, it's a passion, and it's just things. Unfortunate things can happen. But even though
The unfortunate things happen and came with blessings.
Yep, exactly. And so to be able to hear that from somebody that's actually happened to, man, is awesome, because you see, even though something like that happens, you can continue on, you keep pushing, you keep fighting, you keep working hard, and you're gonna get what you were supposed to be blessed with. You know what I mean? So
He can even dance.
So yeah, man. So that's a little quick update for Bubba. He did get a excursion, right? So if y'all follow me on Instagram, KNUCKLESTV, you saw that he got a 2002 F250 excursion, right? 2001 excursion, and my truck is a 2002 F350. So he's got the 7.3 in it as well, and right now he's getting it painted. So it's a cool little project he's doing, man. And so once that comes out, we'll get some video of that too and show you what that looks like. But him and Gracie are doing amazing. Now Gracie, she's in the background. But again, the birthday party, 24. Holy night.
Dang.
A lot of people showed up.
Yeah, that was awesome.
A lot more than I thought.
Yeah.
Usually people say yeah and then don't come.
Right. Well, I mean, it's a hike out here, man. Like from where we live, that's 2 hours, 2-hour drive out here. So
And I drive an hour and a half to work
every day. So, but yeah, can't wait to celebrate another birthday with him, and then and can't wait to see everything else that he accomplishes through life, along with him and Gracie, right? Gracie as well. That's it, man. I think we're gonna let him get, because it's hot as hell out here. and we're ready to get home so I can get that camper over there. And then I guess Bubba's gonna send me an invoice in the mail because he's actually gonna take out my radiator for me, and then that way I can take it to the shop and get it taken care of. So big boy truck will be down for a little bit, but it'll be back. Right? What we say?
Big boy toys, little boy money.
That's it. All right, man. So we hope you enjoyed that. Again, Bubba, I love you. Happy birthday, bud. And can't wait till the next one, man. So until next time, much love, much respect.
Knuckles out.
See ya.